If AutoCAD is giving you the 0xc00007B error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step in a simple and safe way. This error usually happens because of incompatible or corrupted system files, missing DLL files, broken Microsoft Visual C++ components, .NET issues, or even a 32-bit and 64-bit mismatch. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed without much hassle. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Now let's get started. First, restart your computer. This may sound simple, but a restart can clear temporary glitches and reset system processes that may be causing AutoCAD to fail at launch. After your PC comes back on, try opening AutoCAD again and see if the error is gone. If not, continue to the next step. Next, right-click on AutoCAD and choose Run as Administrator. Sometimes AutoCAD needs elevated permissions to access certain files or components properly. If the program opens normally as Administrator, then the issue may have been related to permissions. If the error still appears, don't worry, we have more fixes to try. Now go ahead and install or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. This is one of the most common fixes for error 0xc00007B. You want to make sure both the x86 and x64 versions are installed, because even if you are using 64-bit AutoCAD, some components still rely on 32-bit support libraries. If you already have them installed, choose Repair if that option is available. Once that is done, restart your computer again before testing AutoCAD. After that, install or update Microsoft .NET Framework. AutoCAD depends on .NET components, and if those files are damaged or outdated, the application may fail to start correctly. Make sure you have the latest supported version for your system, and complete any repair or update prompts if they appear. When the installation finishes, restart your PC again so the changes can fully apply. The next step is to repair system files using Command Prompt. Type Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the window that opens, type SFC/scannow and press Enter. This command checks your protected Windows files and automatically repairs corrupted ones. Let the scan complete fully, even if it takes a while. Once it finishes, do not skip the next command. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restorehealth and press Enter. This will repair the Windows image itself and fix deeper system corruption that SFC may not handle alone. When both scans are complete, restart your computer once more. If the error is still happening, reinstall DirectX using the latest version. Missing or damaged DirectX components can also trigger startup errors in AutoCAD, especially if graphics-related files are affected. Download the official DirectX runtime from Microsoft, install it, and then reboot your system again. After that, try launching AutoCAD one more time. Another important step is updating Windows to the latest version. System updates often include fixes for compatibility issues, security problems, and missing runtime components. Open Windows Update, check for updates, install everything available, and restart when prompted. Keeping Windows updated can solve hidden conflicts that cause the 0xc00007B error. If nothing has worked so far, the best next move is to uninstall AutoCAD completely and reinstall a fresh copy. A damaged installation can definitely cause this problem, especially if important program files were not installed correctly. Uninstall AutoCAD from your system, then remove any leftover files if needed, and install a clean new version from the official source. This often resolves persistent errors that other fixes cannot. Also, make sure you are using the correct version of AutoCAD for your operating system. If you're on 64-bit Windows, you should be using 64-bit AutoCAD. Mixing 32-bit and 64-bit components is one of the most common reasons for the 0xc00007B error, so this detail matters a lot. Double-check your system type and confirm that everything you install matches it properly. So to quickly recap, restart your PC, run AutoCAD as administrator, repair Visual, C++, redistributables, update .NET Framework, run SFC and DISM, reinstall DirectX, update Windows, reinstall AutoCAD if needed, and make sure your 32-bit and 64-bit components are not mixed. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped you fix the AutoCAD 0xc00007B error, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another software issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.